This 2007 Winnebago Journey 39K triple slide is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, self-contained, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, stovetop burner, refrigerator, TV, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.